How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to what is more than likely the final part of the 7.3 Powerstroke restoration. I'm going to be trying to get this thing back together today. As you can see, we have a lot of put together to do from all the D-trim before the paint job. And because of that, I'm probably just gonna go ahead and get started cranking on it and see how far we can get. I'm sure I'll be able to get it done today, but I'm not sure if I'll have time to wash it up or not, especially because of this interior. This is gonna need a lot of work to get this clean in here, since I had the doors open, cutting, grinding, welding for these rockers, cab corners. So yeah, I guess let's just go ahead and get started, probably with the front clip, and then work my way back. Well, here you guys have it. The 7.3 build is officially completed. Give you guys a quick walk around. I did go on ahead and throw this pile of crap plastic on while I wait for that other one, just so I can have it 99% done to see how it looks. Which I think that paint match in the back looks really nice. I went ahead and actually cleaned the exhaust tip for like the first time in 2 years as well, and gave this thing a hit of some good Meguiar's wax. As you can see, this paint came out really nice. New F-250 International emblems, paint matched mirrors. Came out super good. Show you guys, I was able to clean this interior out pretty good. This interior was like a train wreck until I had to give it a deep cleaning. Cleaned up the wheels, gave it some tire shine, polished all the chrome on the front of it too. The bumper's actually looking pretty nice right now. This is a like $100 bumper that I got on Marketplace. Same with the grill. The grill's never shined this much. If you pay close attention in older videos, you would see that that grill didn't even really shine. Had to give it some steel wool and tire cleaner, and then went over it with turtle wax chrome polish. Also, check that out. I had to do some trimming to put it on, and apparently I didn't do the best job. I can't figure out why I can't get that to tuck back all the way. I don't see what else I could possibly need to trim, but that's actually a 08 to 10 two-wheel drive valence, which I think it looks pretty nice. I wasn't a fan of the stock 05 lower valence, so I didn't want to pick one of those up. And I don't really like any of the four-wheel drive ones because I think they're just too big. They hang down too far. But I wanted to cover up the bottom lip of that bumper that has been showing since I bought it, or since I put the bumper on, I should say. That wet sanding and buffing, that was a ton of work, but I think it paid off. This thing is like a mirror finish now. And that cheap Eastwood paint gun I use really didn't do that great of a job, to be honest. I'll be retiring that gun that I just got to do this. Actually, that'll be maybe more of a sealer and base coat gun, and I'm gonna have to shop for either an Annis Dewata 400 or the Sada Mini Jet 5000 is your best bets for clear, so I'll have to pick one of those up soon. And then up in here you can see the bed liner we did with that top cover to hide all them dents, which I think it looks pretty nice like that. If you guys didn't know, this bumper and tailgate actually came with this, if you didn't see that video me picking up the bed. And this tailgate was rough when I got it. There was tons of dents. I have a video of me spreading Bondo on this thing, black and primer. It needed a lot of work, and this bumper was really dented bad. There was like a bunch of small dents in that bumper. Probably the whole thing has a light skim coat of filler, but it looks really nice now. So I'm glad I went ahead and fixed it, because I think that the painted to match rear bumper looks great. And also, these are actually the stock taillights out of the 6.7. When I did the paint match ones, these have been sitting in there, so I just pulled them out, gave them a quick wash, and threw them on. I'm gonna have to throw, I think, some adhesive under here. It's not wanting to stay. Probably a lot of them clips are busted on the bottom of there from taking it off. But yeah, this will be a completed restoration. I know I never made any videos on it, but we got that nice engine enamel, silver and black paint job on the engine when I pulled it to do the new oil pan, which is still holding up great for those of you who are wondering. But anyway, that'll pretty much sum up this restoration. So if you guys enjoyed, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think I should do to it next. I think honestly I'm gonna leave it the way it is for a while. I'd like to maybe do a 4-inch lift at 37s eventually. But at the same time, I've already spent a lot of time, as you can imagine, and a lot of money on this thing. So I might kind of just enjoy it and leave it as it is for a little bit before I go ripping it apart again, because this thing's been in pieces for probably 2.5, 3 months to do all this body work and paint and wet sanding, buffing, taking everything apart, putting it back together. Today, literally, I finished it last night, and it's not even finished. I have to pull the bumper back off, which is 2 bolts, and then we'll get in there and do it. So with that being said though, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.